Welcome to Programming ABC. Now I am making a calculator using VB.NET. Please watch and share my video and subscribe my channel. It is the user interface of my calculator. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 dot percent square button, clear button, result button, plus minus into divided, display window, text box 1. Now I write code. Button 1, double click button 1. IMPORTS imports SYSTEM system dot math math. Button 1 click. Before this I write variable dim operand operand 1, operand operand 2, answer answer as dou as dou b double dim operadors operators as string string. Now write button 1 if text box text box 1 dot text equal 0 and then text box text box 1 dot text equal bu double ton button 1 click button 1 dot text button 1 dot text else button 1 text box 1 dot text plus button text. Copy few lines, these few lines, double click button 2 in the button 2 button 3 control V button 4 button 4 button 5 5 5 button 6 button 7 button 7 button 8 button 9 button 0 button 10 button 10 now I write dot button event if text box text box 1 dot text dot in index of single quote double quote index of point less than 0 greater than point greater than or more than 0 and then exit sub else text box copy this line else button elephant button 11 it text box 1 dot text index of point greater than or more than 0 then exit sub else text box 1 dot text box 1 dot text plus button 11 dot text. Now click square event operand operand 1 equal text box 1 dot text text box 1 dot text answer answer equal opera operand 1 2 text box 1 dot text equal ans answer square button click clear button event clear button event Now percent button event OPERA operand to ANSW answer equal OPERA operand 1 star OPERA and operand 2 divided 100. Text box 1 dot text equal answer. Now we write plus event button event plus button event OPERA and the operand copy this line operand 1 OPERA TO operators equal plus and text box 1 dot text equal 0. Copy this line only since operator star and divided button since operator divided. Now I write last button event result button operand 2 SEL is select case OPERA TOR operators select case operators CASE case plus ANSWER answer equal OPERA operand 1 plus OPERA and the operand 2. First plus then minus then symbol minus into and last divided int select the text box 1 dot text equal answer. Now I run my project. sorry, we write an extra event, double click form load, text box 1 equals 0. Six square 36 0 plus 5 equal 110 0 6.5 plus 8 equal 40.0. Now 8 minus 3 55 into 3 165. Now check divided 14 divided 6 equal 2.333. Now percent 200 into 40% 80. My calculator working smoothly or working well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.
Thank you.